Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going over the best setup for Walmart and Target. Okay, I made a video on this in the past, but it was a pretty long time ago. A lot has changed with the bot itself and Target and Walmart, so it's a little outdated. So I'm going to give you guys a new and better one for AIO X. So if you're watching this and don't own AIO X and you don't even know what I'm talking about in this video, basically it's a bot that works on many different sites, some of them being probably the reason you're watching this, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. So if you're looking to buy it, it is sold out on their site. The only way to buy it is on the secondary market on Discord. I recommend joining the Discord group. Link is in the description. They can give you all the support you need. They give out information on PS5, other stuff you can flip for profit. They can help you buy the spot too, so make sure you join. Link is in the description. If you want to know more about botting Walmart and the PS5 in more detail, I have a previous video on that as well, so be sure to check that out. So let's get into the setup. So first, let's start off with Walmart. You click new task, Walmart. So I already have a link from Walmart. You can also do SKU, which is these digits at the end. I'll just do link. There's not a difference. Check out credit card. Login. So for login is really not needed on Walmart. For the past drops, you could have no login. Your order will probably stick, not get canceled, but it probably will help you not get canceled. It will definitely, unless your account is blacklisted, it definitely will not be a negative and make you, get it canceled. It will only help. So login, not necessary, but it could help. Then again, if you have a lot of tasks and all of them are from one account, Walmart's going to see, why is one account going for a ton of PS5s? So that's not good. You don't want to have a ton of tasks with one account. So that's something to know. For mode, basically, you want to have PX2. PX2 is the newer version and the more updated version that usually works better. PX1 is the older version, but both. But PX2 is more consistent, so that's what I would rely on. PX2. PX1 might randomly work, so if you want to be really safe, run both modes, but PX2 is the way to go. For general, usually, unless they're shoes, you want to have sizing on exclude. There's no sizing for a PS5. For delay, for a drop, I would have it on 500 to 1,000. This is in milliseconds. If you don't know what delay is, it's how often the task refreshes the site to see if it's in stock or not. For a restock, I'd have it at 500. Now, for the amount of tasks you want to have, if you're having it at 500 delay, you're going to want to have max 2 to 3 tasks if you want to be safe. Because if you have more than that, you have a pretty high chance of getting banned, and you don't want to get your IP banned. No, but now if you get IP banned, it's not the biggest deal. You'll be able to run again in a couple of minutes, 5-10 minutes, maybe shorter. So it's not the biggest deal. But if you're going for a restock, you don't want to get banned because then you just missed out on a restock. So I would have, for your own IP, 500, and with that's 2 to 3 tasks. For the rest of your tasks, you should have proxies. If you don't know what proxies are, it's basically it's an IP address. So you can run more tasks on different IPs, so you can spread it out. You can have the same delay for those, 500 on each one proxy per one task. What kind of proxies do you want? You want to have DCs that are obviously fast. You want to have just fast DCs that they don't get banned often. Red dirt proxies might be good for that. probably. So yeah, so that's the kind of how many tasks and proxies you want to have. For price check, this is for, it will check, let's say you put 140 to 150. If the price of the item before anything, tax or shipping, is 160, it will not add it to cart. So this is helpful because, especially for Walmart, you actually want to have this on. I know they did this before. I don't know if they still do it. If the item is out of stock, they'll take you to a reseller on Walmart that's charging like overpriced to resell. So obviously you don't want to buy it for resale. You're trying to get it for retail. So whatever the retail price is, have it in the range of the price check. It's just helpful to have, just in case. I recommend having it. For advanced, you can leave all this blank. For watch task, this is actually what I have going on in the background right now. I'll explain it in 1 second. Profiles, one checkup per profile. You want to, if you're ordering multiple of the same item, obviously, yeah, that's what I said, different profiles. You're gonna want to have them jigged. I have a video on that, so check it out, about ordering the same item with different profiles. Check out proxy list. You can leave that blank. Now for watch tasks, basically what watch tasks are is, what I have going on here is, if these items pick up the product, these items are refreshing the site, all these tasks will go for the item. So all these tasks are going for the item, and if they pick it up, then the rest of the tasks will go for it. So this is good for restocks, because you don't want to have all these tasks going for the item at once, then they'll probably get banned. So you have just these two tasks going for it, and once it picks up, then all of them will go for it, and then you're less likely to get banned. It's still a little bit risky, I'm not gonna lie, but basically how you do it is, you make all your tasks, then you edit the ones that you want to make watcher tasks, mass edit them, and just click the tasks that you want to make it follow. So for me, it would be this one. It doesn't really stop it, but look, you go like this, and all these will start watching. So that's Walmart. So for Target, like in my last video, it's basically the same thing. Let me just get a Target link real quick. Okay, so I have the Target link. There it is. Profile, it's the same. Jig, if you're going for multiple profiles for the same item. Proxies, it's the same. 2 to 3 tasks on local with 500 to 1,000 delay. Proxies, make sure they're DCs that are fast. Okay, mode, it's whatever you want. In-store pickup or delivery, it's up to you. Quantity, if you're able to get 1 or 2, if you're able to get more than 1, then do it. Sizing is usually exclude. Delay, we'll just have it at 500. Price check, not needed for Target, but it's always just safe. You don't really lose anything by having price check. It's just safe to have. Advanced, you can make watch tasks just like Walmart. It's the same. So let's get back to login. So login on Target is, just like Walmart. It will probably help you. It's good to have login on Target. You just don't want to have all your tasks with one login. That just doesn't look good. So I recommend having login for Target. It can only help. So, but it's a little complex to have your login working. It's not just you put your login and it works. I'm going to put my login. Obviously, I'm not going to show you what it is, and I'm going to tell you what to do. So first, just put in your login, email, and password of Target. Okay, so here is my Target task. Now, whatever, it's on a test profile. So what you need to do is I put in my login in. What you need to do is for the login to be working. Look what I have in right now. Waiting for cookies, exactly. So you're going to need a cookie. So how do you do this? So for login, let me show you what you have to do. It's less complex than I made it seem. I already have some right here. So basically, it's very simple. Just click gather. Now you're in this Chrome that Eve made. Make sure to click this extension that Eve has. Sign into your target account. Honestly seems a little kind of sus. I'm not gonna lie, but I've done it before. Eve obviously is legit. So just sign into your target account. 100% safe. So they'll actually tell you, it'll say, sorry, something went wrong, please try again. But if you look at your cookies gathered, it actually went up. So if you just click sign in, it may give you an error, but it's actually signing in and giving you cookies. So I keep on clicking sign in, and look, it's giving me the cookies. I have a ton of cookies now. So now that I have a ton of cookies, this is login, boom, logging in, win. Oh wow, that made an annoying sound. Okay, okay, so I started the task. It gave me a notification that literally destroyed my ears, and it worked. So that's how you do target. So that's basically the setup for the video. Let me know if you want more setups for Eve, what site. I can pretty much do any site. Yeah, make sure that you join the Discord. Remember, you're gonna need help maybe buying the spot or just setting it up. So we also offer information on the PS5. So make sure to join that Discord. Link is in the description. If you have any videos you might want me to make about the PS5 or any videos in general, let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Like 2% of you are subscribed that watch. Very low. So make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.